So I'm looking at the initial impact was to tear it down, see what I have. I've had this car for a long time. I wanted to assess what I have, and the best place to start, in my opinion, is the engine. So pulling the engine, it was actually already out, sitting on a stand. It's been sitting there for a long time, over probably 12, 13 years. And I decided to tear it down, see what I've got. So it's got Vortec heads on it. It's a 1979 4-bolt main 350 truck engine. So it's a stout motor for a 350. So I tore it apart. The bearings actually weren't in bad shape. Everything I probably could have just slapped it together and got it running, and it'd been fine. But I want a little more insurance than that. So I tore it apart, pulled the pistons, the rods. I measured the cylinder walls. They're actually pretty good. So I'm going to hone the cylinders and then put all new rod bearings and main bearings in it, new oil pump, all the good stuff. New cam bearings, new camshaft. I don't know what kind of cam was in it, so I decided to just start from scratch there. And with Vortec heads, you cannot have a giant cam. It's got to be a small enough lift that you don't screw up the valves. So the valve guides, actually. So this is the initial teardown. You'll see how it's been torn apart, and getting ready to start working on each component to get it back together. And then there'll be quite a bit of things to do, but it's building an engine, so it's kind of the fun stuff to do.